FAQ 6. What do I do when students copy, cheat, or lie?
One question you might have is when you face some real problems, students are cheating, they copy from one another or something like that. How do you handle that? Well, I won't speak. Let us just see an example.
Shanti Raghavan in session with visually impaired students and visually impaired employability trainer Moses.
It has come to my attention that while doing your tasks this week, some of you have actually copied from each other, copied each other's work. That's what I mean. Okay, so first before we, yes? Yes, it has actually happened. We checked and double checked actually. So what is the problem? Before we come to that, let's understand the good part about this. You all know Control C, Control V really well, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, hello. What is this? Anyway, let's get down to the serious part, right? What is the problem with this? When some of you have copied, you're thinking you're fooling the trainer. But you actually, in reality, you're fooling yourself. Why? Because you have come here what? For what? To learn? Yeah? How are we learning here? This is not your regular learning. You're not sitting and, somebody's teaching on the board, na na na, na na na, and then you're like, learning it by heart. You're not doing that, right? That's not what you're doing. What are you doing here? Every day you're given tasks. Every day you're doing some action. You are observing how you did the action. Okay? And from the positive and negative parts about it, you are learning on your own, applying it, correcting yourself, and doing better. Or from what you did positively, you're learning to do the task even better. Right? Learning from mistakes and learning from the positive parts, right? Everybody has had that this one experience? Yeah? Now, when you could not, why did somebody copy? Let's understand that. Okay? It's possible you couldn't finish the task on time, you were scared, so you copied, right? Or you were under stress, so you copied. Now, when you had that problem, instead of fooling yourself and the trainer, you may have come to the trainer and said, I'm not able to do it. So what would the trainer have done? Maybe have counseled you on better time management, or would have said, hey, stress happens to everybody, work a little harder, flexibility they could have learned, a lot of things you would have learned, right? So you would have applied those actions, and then when you actually would have done your work, half good, okay, whatever it is, how would your confidence be? Would it be better? The fact that you could learn on the job, isn't it? Now for those of you who have copied, I'm very worried, because you will go to the company, and when there is stress, you will not know how to handle it. You will have to learn on the job.
Yeah, we can copy.
And you can't copy there. Or maybe both of you who have copied, you all please go together, okay? Sir, please give us half salary, sir. Okay? Because we both copy, then we do better. Okay? So we'll do that. Okay? For those who are feeling, oh, this person who copied is a bad person or something like that, don't fool yourself. We all are capable of doing the same thing. Okay? In fact, these people who have done it are our teachers right now, because we are learning from them, isn't it? This could happen to any one of us. Nobody can say we have never done it.
Treat all students with respect, students who cheated and who did not. Have no judgment in your tone and heart. Make students understand the consequences of their own actions. Make students realize the learning opportunities they have missed.